come to Costa Rica, especially in Santa Teresa, oh, thank you. Make sure you get a 4x4. You need it.
So we're on our first road trip, I guess. We're going to see some waterfalls, and we have to go get gas, which is a half-an-hour detour on Google. So I'm sure it's like an hour. Oh, paving starts. Woo! Woo! So yeah, this will be interesting. Are you excited? Woo! Are you excited? Are you okay, bye. So we are now in the Cabano town, and it's a pretty busy town. There's all these shops and houses and a big grocery store there.
Interesting drivers.
Yes, very interesting. There's no like stop signs or lights. Everyone just sort of merges.
Let's go.
And we use like, I think the personal space is about 3 centimeters. What do you say? So like.
You gotta buy me dinner first, bro.
No, there's Dos Pinos.
What does it mean?
There's a Dos Pinos store. I've noticed all the like milk and yogurt, milk products are Dos Pinos. It seems to be a brand here, a local brand. And I guess that was it. We're out of town already.
We just didn't let the police pass. Uh-oh.
Oh. Okay, bye. If this video is not posted, it means something happened.
Ah! Oh, okay.
So now we got our gas. We're going back through the town. So I'll show you again. What's this? Looks like a school.
Yeah, we're going to see the waterfalls.
This is a big store. They're selling washing machines and fruit and tires.
Okay, okay.
Interesting.
Okay.
In 150 meters.
Respect the hustle, man.
There's that big grocery store. There's a guy. The restaurant. Chicken place.
I'm going left here.
Yeah. We're gonna turn left here. This seems to be the main intersection here. With a really nice hotel right here.
I don't know who has priority here, so.
Yeah. This is
Okay, I guess I'm going. I think nobody knows who has priority, and everybody's like, we'll stop.
yeah. Or maybe that main road has priority. And this secondary road doesn't.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah. Movie star, whatever that is.
Woo! What? Ah, that's I think one of the providers.
Emergency place.
So full.
I don't know, a store.
The smell of gas makes me
Restaurants.
hungry.
Pizzeria. Do you want something? We're in town.
You wanna eat or no?
No. But you can grab something quick if you want.
That's okay.
I don't know what that is. Another store of is that called canned products? What else? Bicycle. Yeah, we're going on the big park with the waterfalls.
Well, not yet. We're on the way.
Those horses over there.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Woohoo!
I don't think these would be called paddles. What do you think? They're almost like Canadian level paddles, though.
Don't go chasing water. Oh, we're already doing it. Wow.
You're so funny.
So where are we now?
We're in the town of Montezuma, and we're driving up towards the waterfall parking.
Nice.
And there's going to be a little hike that we're going to do. So, see how hard it is.
Let's go.
We seem to be here.
Check your time, guys.
You can clip jump,
Just
but I don't think you can clip jump this one. The
27 meters?
is probably the
Whoa.
height of the thing.
Yeah. Maybe you can
There
do
are
it
cliff jumps
once.
higher up. Yeah.
So apparently alta means hard. So the green, easy, and then intermediate. And when we can decide to go on the hard. Huh?
Do you want a coconut?
Sure. Do you have
I don't want
change?
one.
So we're going to see the waterfalls now. Hi, Jasmine. She's not sure of what's happening. Me neither. Wow, really out of shape. So that's the trail there. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't.
Go, mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, let's go. Go, mommy.
You want me to carry her?
So this is pretty interesting. Already accepted my fate. If I fall, I'm gonna break my arm to protect Jasmine. Ah, there you go. Yep. Very interesting. Don't think we're gonna make it to the top, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, we decided to stop here.
Yeah, it's pretty dangerous, but I agree. So we're gonna stop here, chill, and then go back.
Misha's playing with water. I don't know how she's staying comfortably like that. We are in deep jungle. Are you done eating?
Hi, mommy.
Oh.
Mommy. Mommy, I see song.
Okay. Baba is really silly, really silly, 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 silly Baba, silly, silly Baba, silly Baba. Mommy is the most beautiful one.
I'm carrying this off right now. I'm proud of my little princess. I'm obviously terrified. And yeah, protecting this little head at any cost. She doesn't know what's happening, but I'm being very careful. I'll take the hit. I love you. Hi. Is she decent? Saying this kind of swimming? Does this count as swimming? This is extremely fair. Oh, her face is on my chest. Poor thing. I'm so sweaty.
It's only half an hour to get home.
We're off-road, baby. Well, no, not really. We're on a gravel road. It's something.
Yeah.
That was interesting. Now I am hungry.
Yeah, I convinced him to drive all the way home so that we don't drive in the dark later and have dinner at a reasonable hour. So he's hungry. We could get you a snack, you know. Sushi. Let's go get some sushi.
Sushi in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, well, it's a cafe.
Ah,
They have other stuff probably.
gotcha.
What do you mean the middle of nowhere? We're like 10 minutes from the sea.
Ah, true. Can you hear Jasmine?
She's talking.
Yeah, talking. It's a nice road. We're driving super slow. Imagine having like a small car here, like a Picanto or something.
Yeah. My neck and back really hurt.
Yeah, your neck and your back. It's pretty foggy in here. I'm so funny. It's not fog, just dirt. Oh, is that a car? Yes, it is. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Oh, Lina, yaba. I feel like my back is gonna be sore after this.
I feel like we can check that out though. There's also a supermarket. We could just get a snack.
Yeah, sure. Let's hit it.
Here's a bit and then there's the beach ahead.
Yeah. We are really off-road here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Go. Sorry guys, I cannot do anything about it.
Take care of Jasmine in the state.
We are in an unknown place right now. Okay, let me explain. So somebody told us that if you go down the road south till the end, there's like a little fisherman village. It's very little, and after that you can go to a secret beach that's not really secret because people go to it. And like we saw maybe 4 or 5, pardon me, ATVs, and now we're at the beach. I think all the ATVs belong to these guys. Well, so many crabs. This is their sandwich now. So, here's the secret beach.
You found a nice spot here. You're stand to yourself, please. And look at my view. My baby. And the ocean. And the Misha.
Yeah.
And the baby. And the Baba. Taking his shoes off.
So, hi Jasmine.
Hi. We're on the beach again. Someone's licking me.
No, 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 no. Are you better now? Yeah, sorry. I put him there, but I think I put him upside down.
I think you open their eyes.
I think it's better now. Yeah, he's moving. What?
You open their eyes to rub.
Oh. Misha, watch out. Watch out the lady. Don't throw rocks. Don't throw rocks at people. Yeah, they were walking. You can continue now. He's throwing rocks.
She's been doing this for about 10 minutes. So cute. She's been going down to the water, grabbing some wet sand, and then grabbing some dry sand, and then coming up and making a bath. She's very focused. She's singing a song. Cute as ever. Ah! Look at me. Okay, bye.
So this dog here thinks he adopted us. Trying to explain to him this is not how it works, and we're not from here. Where is he?
He has a collar.
Hmm. He seems to like Lynn more, so that's definitely no. That didn't sound good. Woo, baby!
Woohoo!
We just had fun at the secret beach. The not so secret beach. I'm not sure you want me to go faster, my dog. But look at the road. It's crazy. Look at all this hibiscus. Ah.
You're taking it for back.
Of course. I like you. Alright, so this video should be cool. There's this really nice soccer field. We look like creeps now. Like right next to the ocean. And you can see the sunset in the back there. It's pretty cool. And our daughter crying. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Here's my family.
We're almost there.
Yeah, she stinks.
What?
Oh, I stink. Hey, puppy.
You say stink?
Yeah, I stink kind of not.
The pot calling the kettle black.
Okay, so we found this. I'm talking, not her, just to be clear. We found this nice Italian restaurant. It's called La Donna. Now we're already back from the secret beach. They gave us, what is this called?
Focaccia.
Focaccia.
With homemade pesto and the spicy sauce.
Mm-hmm. They also gave us a refill. So pretty excited about our pizza. The service is pretty good here too. My wife needs my manly power to open the water bottle. I must go. My people need me. That's potato, red onion pizza. And this is goat cheese. Exciting. Let's dig in. Oh, no. You want it? Okay. Pizza was amazing! I think I have a preferred one, the goat cheese. Lynn's sitting in the back with the kids. And now it's dark, so bye bye.